A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, with a meow so loud. D is for drum, boom boom proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap clap away, learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming at the mall. G is for guitar, strum along. H is for hat, wear it all day long. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap clap away, learning letters every day. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear him cry. Roar! Let's keep going, don't stop now. M to Z will show you how. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, safe on the ground. O is for octopus, 8 arms wave. P is for piano, music we crave. Q is for queen, with the crown so bright. R is for rainbow, colorful light. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for tiger, sneaking by. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, ringing for you. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing it again, just like me. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap clap away, learning letters every day.
Before we can create a kid song, we need a lyrics. All right, so for us to get lyrics, you just have to head over to ChatGPT and we'll give him this prompt. Create a fun, catchy kid song that teaches the A to Z alphabet with rhythm, repetition, and engaging melodies. So you are just going to click on generate, and as you can see, ChatGPT has started generating our song for us, and it is done generating. Okay, so what you need to do next is for you to tell ChatGPT to convert these generated lyrics into prompt. All right, you know that the ABC alphabet is 26, so I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt. Give me 26 tense prompts representing each letter, e.g. a bright red 3D letter, a bright red apple with a shiny surface sitting on a wooden surface. And I'm just going to hit on generate, and as you can see, ChatGPT is giving us detailed prompts that we can use to generate each of the image for all of these 26 alphabets. Okay, so now ChatGPT is done generating the image prompt for each alphabet for us. The next thing for us to do is for us to convert these lyrics that ChatGPT has generated for us into song, right? And for us to do that, we are going to be using an AI called Suno AI. So let's head over to Suno AI for us to convert these lyrics into actual song. For you to get to this interface, all you need to do is just for you to sign up with your Gmail and you are good to go. Okay, so once you are here, make sure that this custom that my arrow is pointing to is turned on, and also this instrumental, make sure the instrumental is also turned off. The reason why you are turning off this instrumental is because when you turn it on and you paste your lyrics here, it's going to generate just instrumental for you. Like, you're just going to be hearing the instrumental sound and not real song. All right, so you need to turn it off so that we can be able to generate our song. So with that being said, just head over to ChatGPT now and grab your lyrics that ChatGPT has generated for you earlier. Paste it here. Okay, so after pasting it, ChatGPT will usually put an intro. Make sure you remove the intro and also scroll down and remove the outro. Okay, so once that is done, this place here that is showing style is asking for the style of music that you want this AI to generate for you. For if maybe you do not know, just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT the style of the lyrics he has generated for you, so you can copy it and paste it here. Okay, so once it's been pasted, just hit on generate and it's going to generate songs for you. Each generation you create is going to bring 2 variations of songs for you. As you can see, before this tutorial, I'll be practicing with this AI and I've generated 4 songs. Okay, I'm going to be playing 3 to 4 songs here so that we can choose the one that is best for our kids' music. Okay.
Is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, with a meow so loud. D is for drum, boom boom proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap, clap away, learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming at the mall. G is for guitar, strum along. H is for hat, wear it all day long. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap, clap away, learning letters every day. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear him cry. Roar! Let's keep going, don't stop now. M to Z will show you how. M is for monkey, swinging around. On the ground. O is for octopus, 8 arms wave. P is for piano, musically crave. Q is for queen, with the crown so bright. R is for rainbow, colorful light. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for tiger, sneaking by. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for whale, big and blue. is for xylophone, ringing for you. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing it again, just like me. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap, clap away. Learning letters every day.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a meow so loud. D is for drum, boom boom proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap, clap away. Learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming at the mall. G is for guitar, strum along. H is for hat, wear it all day long. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, G, so fun to see. H, I, J, clap, clap away. Learning letters every day. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear him cry. Roar, let's keep going, don't stop now. M to Z will show you how. N is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, safe on the ground. O is for octopus, 8 arms wave. P is for piano, music we crave. Q is for queen with the crown so bright. R is for rainbow, colorful light.
If I'm to play all the 6 songs, this video will be too long. So I've just played one, and the second one I just played 2 and extend, and I stopped it. So I've chose the one I'm going to be using for this video. So the next step is for us to get images for our video. So we are going to be going to an AI tool called Leonardo.ai for us to be generating our images that we'll use for this video. Okay. For you to get to this interface, all you need to do is just for you to go to your browser and type Leonardo.ai. Click on it, sign up with your Gmail, and you are going to find yourself here. Alright, once you are here, click on this image creation. Once you click on it, it's going to open an interface just like this. Click on this phonics 09 and you are going to click on this hash to take you back. So it's going to bring you to this interface, right? What you need to do is for you to set up this page in order for us to generate good images. Okay, what you need to do first is for you to change this dynamic to 3D render. Okay, so once you change it to 3D render, come and choose the dimension that you want your images to be like. YouTube standard dimension is 16 by 9, so I'm going to click on 16 by 9, and I will also set the numbers of images I want this AI to be generating for me for each prompt. So I'm going to select 4. Now that this page is set, let's head over to ChatGPT and start grabbing each image prompt that represent each letter for us to be generating our images. I just copied the prompt for letter A and I'm going to be pasting it into Leonardo AI. Okay, as you can see me, I'm trying to paste it in. All right, so once it's pasted, I'm just going to hit on generate, and Leonardo AI is going to give me 4 variations of images that I can choose from. Okay, this is how you are going to be repeating this process for all the letters from letter A to letter Z. So I'm going back to ChatGPT now to grab the letter B image prompt, take it back to Leonardo AI, paste it there, right, and hit on generate. So you can see already generating images for me for the letter B. Okay, so just repeat this process until you get all your images. All right, So when you are done generating all the images and you want to download, just hold on to the image you want to download and click on this arrow, and your images will be downloaded to your device. If you run out of your image generation credits, all you need to do is just for you to log out and sign in with another Gmail, or you can also use another browser to sign up, and you get fresh credits that you can use to continue your image generations. Okay, we're almost getting to the end of the video, right? The next step now is for us to convert our images into videos, and for us to do that, just head over to Minimax Hailuo AI. So when you are there, just sign up with your Gmail and you are going to find yourself in this interface. Okay, what you need to do is just for you to click here that my arrow is pointing at, and it's going to take you to your phone gallery where you can start uploading your images. Okay, so once it takes you to your gallery, just choose the image that you want to turn into video. Okay, so if you see here, you can actually still enter a prompt that you can use to generate this particular video. Okay, so you can still ask ChatGPT for help, just give you specific prompt for this image to video generation, and ChatGPT is going to do that. Okay, after putting in your prompts, it's optional. That's if you want to put your prompt. What you need to do next, just for you to hit on this credit button, and as you can see, your image is converting into video. Okay, one thing I love about this AI, right, you can generate many videos per day, as in like there's no limit. It's almost free. Okay, but the other thing I love about this platform is that you can have multiple projects going on, right? So once your video is, or once your image is uploaded, just delete it and upload another one, right? That's how you are going to repeat the same process for all your images. Okay, so once that is done, for you to download your videos, just hold on to the video and you click on this arrow, and your video will be downloaded to your device. Okay, the next and final step for us is for us to combine the video clips and our song that we generated earlier together for us to actually have this video ready. Okay, for us to do that, we are going to be heading over to CapCut. Okay, so here am I on CapCut. I'll just click on new project and it's going to take me to my gallery. Here I can select if it's video I want or photos that I want. I'm just going to click on videos and I'm going to be selecting all the video clips starting from A, right? I'll select A, B, C till I get to Z, right? So after selecting all my alphabet from letter A to Z, I'm just going to click on this add. You can see here showing 26, right? So what is added, you see that it brings me to this interface. As you can see that our video clips are already lined up, right? Our video clips are already arranged. For me to import our music, I'm just going to click on audio, then I'll click on sound, and it will take me to this interface, right? I'm just going to click on this memory card logo. After clicking on it, I'm going to click on device. I'm just going to search for the name of the music and I'll click on this plus sign and it's going to add to our interface. Okay, as you can see, this music has been added. All right, so the next thing for me to do is for me to remove all these watermarks. Okay, so for you to remove all the watermark from all your video clips, you just need to use your two index finger to zoom it out. All right, as you can see me, I'm zooming it out, and if you check where the watermark has been removed. Okay, that's how you are going to do for all your video clips, so that your work, that's your video, will look very professional. Because if it's showing with that watermark, it's not really bringing that professionalism you get. So once you are done, all you need to do is for you to be playing this song, right? When the song is singing, when it says A, make sure that your A video clip is what is showing. Okay, so just follow this song and make sure your video clips align with the song, right? It's as simple as that. Once you are done, Just click on the export button and it will be exported to your device. Congratulations, you have been able to create your own kid song for you to upload on your YouTube channel. Just be consistent, right? Once you are consistent, before you know it, you get to the monetization milestone and you start earning money from YouTube. If you are into the faceless niche, the video right here that's showing on your screen right now will be very helpful to you. So click on it and I'll see you there.